Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to today's vlog. I thought, let me get you set up. I thought we would start with a little unboxing. Why is this tripod like that? Okay, stay. Okay, gonna drink my energy drink. These are my all-time favorites, but we can't get them here. They are Aspire. They're like a healthier energy drink, and they have natural caffeine, no calories, no sugar, and they're only 80 milligrams of caffeine, which is like a cup of coffee, which is great for me because if I don't want like a hot tea in the afternoon, these are amazing. We first had these in Arkansas. We like met a guy as we were like getting ice, and he had a whole van of these, and he let us try some, fell in love with them. Haven't been able to find them here at Sam's Club, but my mom was just in Arkansas. My sister just had her baby, so she brought me a pack home, so I'm cherishing these. This is the raspberry and acai, and it's just so good. Anyways, I have like 5 or so packages here to go through that I thought I would do a little unboxing today, and we have some just like stuff around the house we need to get done, some home decor stuff I bought yesterday that hopefully Andy will help me put up today, and the dogs are just playing behind me, so that is our life now. I feel like I explained this a lot, but in case you're new here, all these packages, I do video production for mostly Amazon products and just like companies and their websites, so they'll send me their products. I don't post them on any of my platforms, but that's why I get so many packages all the time and so much stuff to go through. I think either later this week I need to do like a whole garage clean out and like donate a ton of stuff. So I might do that on the vlog as well. What is this? What the heck? I thought this said this is Velvety Marshmallow Chocolate Ruby, which I've never heard of ruby chocolate. And I was like, I don't remember talking to any clients about this type of product. You wanna know what was inside? Smart water bottle. So I was waiting on this product. I'm excited to try this. This is leak proof, hot and cold. I think the smart feature is that it tells you the temperature, I believe. So this is cute. It has a little case that you could hold it, and then, this is a cool, sleek little bottle. Oh, all right, had to take a break, had to let the dogs out and put Tosh down for a nap. These packages sometimes are so incredibly hard to open. They're like completely taped. Looks beautiful. Okay, so this is actually another one of those blackhead remover things. It's crazy how many similar products I get, especially on Amazon. I actually kind of demoed this, or a different brand of this, in a previous vlog, but I couldn't get it to work for me. So if you have tried one of these, let me know if you've done anything special. We'll see if that one's any different. So next is a company that I have worked with before, and their products are pretty darn cool. Let me show you. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I love this. So pretty. So there is a blank one, and then they actually took my name from like YouTube and put it on there with the same font. That is so pretty. And basically it has a QR code on the back, and you put all your information on it. So for me, I put all my info on there, my social media accounts. So when you meet people, all they have to do is scan the QR code, and it'll give them links to tap on your Instagram, your YouTube, anything. And what's really cool is you could even put in, like, I have an iPhone, so I put in all my iPhone contact. I could put in my phone number, my full name. And if I'm just meeting someone like, hey, I'm Courtney, here's my number, boom, they can scan this. Instead of typing it into their phone, all they have to do is literally like tap create contact. It's really, really cool. So it's like a digital business card, but these are just absolutely beautiful. Next, this is from the brand Clear. If I remember correctly, this is like a teeth aligner, possibly, yes. So I'm not gonna open it up, I'm gonna leave it all like this, but I'm basically doing like a tutorial on how to do like the impressions and the kit and everything it comes with. So that is really nice. I wish I could use it myself and actually get the whole treatment plan, but I can't. I've had braces for so long, but my bottom teeth are still a little crooked. I wish I would have gotten a permanent retainer. And then lastly, I'm low-key excited for this. If you're like, this is like adulting, for real. The brand I'm working with is called Bum Roll. So they actually sent this huge box of toilet paper, and it's really beautiful. I love how that's wrapped. And so what's unique about Bum Roll is they are sustainable, they are free of any ink, dye, perfume, safe for any septic system. So really, really nice. So this is really cool. They use 100% recycled paper, donate a percentage of profits to the National Forest Foundation. So I love companies like this. And I'm really excited to get like 24 rolls of toilet paper. So that is really nice, and they're cute. All right, but that is all my packages for today. Once I go through them like this, I typically email on my client saying, hey, your product arrives, and then I have to organize it in my garage, which I'll show you. So our garage is an absolute mess right now. Yeah, so this is not very well organized. I had a client, I had to do so many, I did like 60 or 70 videos for him, all on each individual Christmas product. So I had these out, I was taking pictures of some of them to try to get rid of them, but it's kind of after the holidays now, so I think I'm gonna donate a lot of this. And then I have to go through all of this and just donate a bunch and just kind of organize it. So basically all of these shelves over here, this is just some of my old slime packaging material, which still comes in handy, but oh wow. So these are all like stuff I have to do. These are all I have done. And then I use these shelves for like stuff I'm finished with, but if family and friends come over and want to go through this, and then every so often I just go through and donate a whole ton. I have boxes over there that I need to donate. Some stuff I'm trying to sell from our house on Marketplace. It's literally just a mess. And then all my boxes of garbage that I have to break down and take out. I kid you not, Andy goes through this probably once a month and gets it spotless in here. Bless him, because he is like the one always doing it. Come on, Mac, let's go inside. And I just need to go through all of this stuff. It's just a lot, and it gets very overwhelming when I get like 20 packages a week to kind of go through. It could add up really quickly, and it's like as soon as you get it cleaned, it's already a mess again. So I need to find a little better system, really do a whole declutter and get everything out of there so I have room for a while and can keep it clean for a little bit. But that maybe I will do later this week, probably. Either that or I want to organize my closet. One or the other will probably be my other vlog this week. And then here is my filming mess from today. I still have to clean up. I did this Puma bag. I had some fun stuff today that I had to shoot for, and I have to still shoot B-roll for all of this. Mac, you were just chilling with me, huh? I got these Pampas, which are really cute. I'm definitely gonna use these like natural colored ones. They're fake and they're great, love those. This whole set of fuzzy socks, kind of a mess right now. This makeup bag, I won't really have a use for, so I'll probably see if anyone wants that. These phone cases, which super, super cute. And this is like a seat cushion. So good range of products, but some fun stuff today. And then I'm doing a couple of videos for this brand later this week called Yappa, and I am so excited. I shared this on Instagram, but look at this. I mean, I don't have it super organized yet, but they sent all these beautiful colors. I just put that green color on my nail. I've been really into greens lately. These are all like vegan, cruelty-free, but so far they seem to be lasting so well. This is like day 3 and not a single chip, so I am really impressed. I think I'm gonna do one of these pretty pale colors next, but for the video they wanted a red color. So, well, work took a little longer than I thought. It's already getting dark outside, and Andy said he had a really long day, so he's probably not gonna do our little home decor thing that I wanted to do today. So I'll either include it either tomorrow and I'll put it in at the end of this vlog, or we'll just show you next time. But I have this little thing, and this is what I used to clean the floors. They need to be done really badly because of the dogs. But I always get asked when I show this on Instagram, and I always forget. So it's the Hoover Floor Mate. It vacuums, washes, and dries. So it's really nice. It suctions up all the water, so it's not just like smearing it all around. So it's great if you have pets. I've been wanting to get one of those robot ones. We have a robot vacuum, but I think the mopping and vacuum ones would be really cool. The dogs are going nuts, but let me get these floors knocked out. So here is the super satisfying but also really gross part, but it's just crazy. Like, this is after our little robot vacuums every day. We vacuum, we still get all that dirt. Gross. I'm trying something I saw on Instagram. Andy just got all the groceries home, and it is to cut your fruit. Well, actually, I don't know if it works when you cut your fruit, so we'll find out. But it's basically putting your washed berries into mason jars, like upside down with a paper towel. So we will see if that works and helps them last longer, because I feel like berries go bad really, really fast. So I got a bunch this week. I just got some strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. So let me know in the comments if you've tried this before, but I'm really excited that hopefully this will last. This looks so satisfying though, regardless. All right, so hopefully this works. Apparently after you put the paper towel on, you just store it upside down. I've heard so many people say this works. If it does, that would be great. And hopefully it works with the strawberries cut. I don't know if I've seen that done before. So that's gonna be it for today. I think I'm gonna do one more clip when we do our little home decor project tomorrow. So see you then, hopefully. If not, hope you guys have a great day. So it is the next day and we are getting our room set up. So I got this new curtain that I wanted Andy to hang. We did these pendant lights not that long ago. So we're kind of just getting all the decorations that we want done in here. Got this little thing I've had for a while, but I want to get like a cream colored accent chair for this corner. But I got these curtains. I will probably have to steam, but I think they're gonna match good in here. Hopefully, we'll see. It was between this or just like some sheer white ones, but these were the whitest and the longest. They didn't have any other ones that I could find that were like this wide that would work. So we'll see. So it's getting kind of dark in here now, especially with it backlit like this. But I think once I steam them, I think it's gonna be nice. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. It's a hot mess in here right now. Gotta get them steamed. But let me know if you like them or if you liked it better without. Normally I'm not a curtain person, but I do think they look nice. All right, so that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this edited and posted for you guys. Today's Wednesday. You're gonna be watching this maybe on Wednesday. It's being posted on Wednesday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, especially if you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon. Bye.